This is a video on a new feature in Palladium Premium, which is Creditor Reconciliations. Creditor Reconciliations is a reconciliation between your Palladium system and your supplier statement, with the ability to categorize all the reconciling item types, for example, outstanding payment or discounts or invoices or deliveries not received on time. It's probably one of the most important controls within a system to ensure that there are no unrecorded liabilities or any surprises at the end of the month. Also, in order to claim the maximum amount of VAT, you need to make sure you have all the invoices. And it's actually just good corporate governance to do this, and hopefully you can get your auditor to place some reliance on this and reduce your audit fees, although I think you've got no chance of that. The irony of the whole situation is that it's such an obvious feature that every product should have this, and it's a wonder why no others actually do. So what I'll do now is go into the Palladium Premium product, and I'll go into Accounts Payable. And under the Accounts Payable section, you'll see two icons. One is Vendor Reconciliation, which is the ability for me to do a single vendor reconciliation, actually at any day in history. So I can run a vendor recon every single day. Or I can do it from a worksheet, which I'll prefer to do because it allows me to drill down into the actual reconciliation itself. So if I was to choose, let's say, the end of April here, Palladium will then go and take all the vendors and give me their balances as at the end of April. If I was to choose the end of March, there, you'll see now that these balances are different, and this reconciliation has actually been done. So I can actually drill down into this EO engineering. I can say, well, their balances is the same as mine, 24,202.90, and I'll say reconciliation, and I'll record that as done. Also, what you can do is a reconciliation for no balance. It's just as important as doing a reconciliation where there actually is a balance. So you'll see here, I'll just enter no values, and the reconciliation for that is done now. So you see what has been done. On the right hand side here are the different reconciliation types that I've set up, and the system categorizes these. So you'll see this one here is 178 Rand, and it is due to discount allowed. And you can add your own classifications, and at that point in time I can print a control sheet. If you look at the total of the suppliers there, 137, you'll see that is at the end of March, and if I choose the end of April here, you'll see that the balance changes accordingly. An essential feature for the discerning accountant. Thank you for listening to me.